Hello students, I am Mr. Praveen Agarwal and I am going to teach accountancy and the chapter name is Dissolution of Partnership Firm. As we have already read earlier that we are required to prepare four accounts, that is the first one is a realization account, second one is a partner's capital account, third one partner's loan account if given, and last but not the least is the bank account or cash account. So let us solve some practical question. Question number 1, we will see. So since balance sheet is given, assets and liability side is given. Assets, plant, furniture, motor van, stock, debtor and cash has been given. In liability, capitals and creditor account has been given. So you are required to prepare the realization account, partners capital account and bank account of the firm, including some adjustments are there given. Okay, so let us solve the question. So first one is here, we are required to prepare what? Realization account. So realization account. As we know that in case of dissolution of partnership firm, first of all we are required to prepare the realization account. So all the sundry assets would be taken on the debit side of realization account at their book value. All the sundry assets, I repeat, except cash in hand, cash at bank and fictitious assets such as advertisement suspense account, that would not be transferred to realization account, rather than it will be taken to the partner's capital account. So first of all you see the value, plant is given 80,000. So first of all here we have to write two sundry assets. So first of all you see plant value is given how much? Plant value is given 80,000. Plant value, again furniture is given. Furniture value is given how much? 45,000. Then motor van is also given. Motor van value is given how much? 25,000. Stock value is given. Stock, how much is the value given? 30,000. Again debtor is also given. Debtor value is given how much? 71,000. So we get the total, and how much we will get the total? 2,51,000. And listen, we are not transferring cash because cash would be shown in the cash account or bank account. Similarly, we see in the liability side, only we have to transfer outsider liability. Outsider liability given is how much? Creditor. Creditor is given how much? 1,20,000. That will be transferred on the credit side. That is your by creditor. So creditor is given how much? Creditor 1,20,000. Now you see the adjustment. First bit, plant of rupees 40,000 was taken over by Kumar and remaining plant realized 50,000. So first of all Kumar has taken the plant, so that will be taken on the credit side. By Kumar, capital account, plant taken. So plant was taken by Kumar at an agreed value of how much? 40,000. Now you see the realization amount. Plant realized 50,000, furniture realized 40,000 and debtor realized rupees 1,000 less. So all the realization amount would be shown on the credit side as by cash account. Okay, so plant realizable value is given how much? 50,000 plant. Then you see furniture realizable value given how much? 40,000. Then you see debtor 1,000, that is your 70,000. So debtor amount is your rupees 70,000 and total amount is how much? 1,60,000. Then you see we are required to make the payment of creditor. So creditor for rupees 20,000 was untraceable and the remaining creditors were paid in full. So creditor was how much? 1,20,000. So out of this 1,20,000, 20,000 is your untraceable. That means we are required to make the payment of creditor how much? 1,20,000 minus 20,000. This will be how much? This would be your 1 lakh. Now you see realization expenses amounted to rupees 5,000. So that will be shown on the debit side. So to cash account, realization expenses To cash account expenses, how much? 5,000. So all the adjustment we have done. So now we have to calculate the profit or loss on realization. So we get the total here. So totaling would be how much? Totaling would be 3,56,000. Okay, as I have said, when debit side is more, we will get the loss. So we have to calculate the loss, that is by loss transferred. By loss transferred. So this would be your 3,50,000 minus the total of your credit side. And we will get the total difference figure. Loss would be how much? 6,000. So by loss transferred to partners capital account. Okay, again you see 6,000, this would be distributed among the partner in old profit sharing ratio, that is your 5:3:2. So we will distribute the amount Kumar, Shyam, and third partner is your Ratan. So this loss 6,000, it will be distributed in the ratio of 5:3:2, that is your 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200. So this is how we are required to prepare your realization account. Now again we have been asked to prepare the partners capital account. So next step is to prepare the partners capital account. So next step is to prepare partners capital account. So partners capital account. So again here there are three partners. So we are required to prepare the format of partners capital account. First partner name is your Kumar. Then again next partner is your Shyam. The next partner is your Ratan. So again on the credit side, Kumar, Shyam and Ratan. Now you see the opening balance. Opening balance is given your Kumar, Shyam and Ratan. Opening balance is given 68,000, 50,000 and 27,000. So we have to write by balance brought down 68,000, 50,000 and 27,000. Again we have calculated the realization loss, so it will be shown on the debit side of partners capital account. So that is the two realization loss. So loss, it has been divided how much? 3,000, then again 1,800 and again then 1,200. Then again in the adjustment we have seen that plant has been taken over by Kumar at 40,000 and motor van has been taken by Shyam at rupees 30,000. So that will be shown both on the debit side. That is your two realization account. Okay. So for Kumar how much? 40,000 and for Shyam how much? 30,000. Now you see one thing, remember, in case of dissolution of partnership firm, whatever the answer we will get, the difference figure we have to write as to cash, that is your final payment. Okay, so get the total. So total is your 68,000. So 68,000 minus how much? 43,000. So difference figure would be to cash account, and this is our, remember, this is our balancing figure. This is our balancing figure. How much? 68,000 minus 43,000. This will be how much? We will get 25,000. And this is the answer which we are getting. In case of Shyam, you see how much? 50,000 minus how much? 21,000. Sorry, 31,800. 50,000 minus 31,800. And the difference figure would be 18,200. So total is 50,000, and third but not the least, in case of Ratan, this is 27,000 and 27,000 minus 1,200. Difference figure would be 25,800. 25,800. So So this is the answer which we get after preparing the partner's capital account. Your cash account balance figure for Kumar 25,000, Shyam 18,200 and Ratan is 25,800. Now last but not the least, as I have said, we are required to prepare cash or bank account. Automatically cash and bank account will be balanced together. So here you see cash account, or it is otherwise known as your bank account. Cash account or bank account. Now you see the opening balance. Opening balance is given how much? 14,000. This will be written as to balance brought down. How much? 14,000. Again you see whatever the amount which we have been realized, which we get from the realization of assets, that will be shown on the debit side. That is your to realization account. How much we have realized? 1,60,000. Now you see whatever the amount which we are required to pay, which we have paid to the creditor, that will be shown on the credit side. By realization account, how much? 1 lakh. Then again expenses, for expenses we have to show by realization account. How much expenses was there? Expenses was there rupees 5,000. Now whatever the partner's capital account cash balancing figure, that will transfer to the credit side of cash account. That is your by Kumar capital account. How much? 25,000. Again for Shyam, by Shyam capital account. How much? 18,200. And for Ratan, that is your by Ratan capital account. How much? 25,800. And total amount we will get, the total will be 1,74,000 each. 1,74,000 each. This is how we are required to prepare partner's account, partner's capital account, realization account, as well as your cash account or bank account. Okay, so next question we will see question number 2. One more question we will see how to solve question number 2. First of all, we will read the question, then we will solve. Question number 2. You see, Ram and Shyam were partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3. Balance sheet has been given, certain adjustment has been given, and so you are required to prepare the realization account and partners capital account. So first of all, realization account. You see, realization account. Realization account. You see, all the sundry assets will be transferred on the debit side of the realization account. You see, your asset value is given land 1,20,000. So first of all, two sundry assets. As I have said, except cash in hand or cash at bank, all the assets would be transferred to the debit side of realization account. So two sundry assets, land is given 1,20,000. Machinery is given 65,000. Then goodwill is also transferred here. Goodwill is given 10,000. Then stock is given 25,000. Debtor is given 10,000. Cash, we are not required to transfer cash. So total would be, we will get the total would be 2,40,000. Now you see the liability. Liability, there are two outside liability. One is the creditor and bills payable. Both the liability would be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. So that is your by creditor. By creditor, this will be 65,000. And again by bills payable. by bills payable, and this will be 35,000. As we will read the adjustment, Ram paid the creditor at a discount of 15%. As I have said you earlier, in case of payment of creditor, so who is paying the amount of creditor? Ram, at a discount of 15%. That means we are required to calculate 15% on the amount of 65,000. So payment of liability will be shown on the debit side of the realization account. So to Ram capital account, within bracket we can write payment of creditor. So at a 15% discount. Okay, so we are required to calculate 15% of 65,000. So from that amount we have to deduct the amount of 65,000 minus the discount amount, and after calculating we will get 55,000 to 50. Then you see Syam paid bills payable in full. So it is the duty of the Syam to make the payment of the bills payable. So that is your to Syam capital account. So payment of bills payable in full. Full amount would be paid. Full amount means 35,000 would be entirely paid. And now asset realizable value has been given. So we have to write on the credit side, that is your by bank account. Within bracket we can write assets realized. All the realizable value would be shown collectively. Okay. So first of all, land 20% less. So we will calculate. So after calculation we will get how much? 96,000. Then machinery is given how much? 35,000. So machinery value is given 35,000. Then again stock. Stock is given 25% less. That means we are required to calculate the value of stock. Okay, stock value is given how much? 25,000 minus how much? 25%. Okay, so after the calculating of amount, we will get the amount of stock 18,750 after discount. Then debtor is directly value has been given. Debtor how much? 12,500, and the gross value would be 1,62,250. Okay. Now you see expenses on realization 1750 were paid by Syam. So that is your realization expenses. So to Syam capital account. To Syam capital account. Expenses. So expenses has been given how much? Expenses has been paid by Syam, rupees 1750. This is your 1750. Okay. So all the additional we have done. Now we are required to calculate the profit or loss. So we get the total of this one. So total would be 3,32,000 minus total of this. This will get the answer as by loss, and the net difference would be 69,750. And again, as I have said, whatever the loss would be there, this will be transferred amount. Partner unit ratio 2:3. So for Ram and for Syam, this will distribute as the ratio 2:3. So this will be 27,900 and 41,850. So the next step is to prepare the partner's capital account. So here there are two partners. So first of all, we will draw the format of partners capital account. Ram and Syam are two partners. So accordingly, you have to prepare partners capital account. One is your Ram and second one is your Syam. Ram and Syam. So first of all, we will see the opening balance. So opening balance is given how much? 75,000 and 75,000. So capital opening balance. So that this will be written as by balance brought down. For Ram it will be 75,000 and for Syam it will be 75,000. So again we have got the realization loss. So that means partners capital account would be decreased or debited. So it will be shown on the debit side. That is on the debit side we have to write to realization account within bracket loss. So how much loss we have got? 27,900 for Ram and for Syam 41,850. Now we see that Ram and Syam, Ram had paid the amount of creditor and Syam has paid the amount of bills payable. That means their capital account would be credited. So that will be shown on the credit side by realization account. By realization account for liabilities discharged. So 55,250 and 35,000. Now whatever the realization expenses which has been paid by Syam, that will also be shown by realization expenses. How much Syam has paid? 1750. Now we get the total. Credit side, Ram total would be 1,30,250 and difference figure we will get balancing figure to cash. That is a balancing figure. So 1,30,250 minus 27,900. How much will we get? 1,02,350. So this is your final cash, final payment, and for Syam we will get the total 1,11,750 minus 41,850. This will be 69,900. So this is the cash which we are required to pay to whom? To the partners capital account. So this is how we are required to prepare partners capital account. Last but not the least, we are required to prepare the cash or bank account. So as I said, cash or bank account will be automatically closed. So cash account or otherwise known as bank account. So again I am telling you that in case of cash account, debit side is your receipt and credit side is the payment. So whatever the amount which has been received from the realization of assets, that will be shown on the debit side, and whatever the amount which has been paid to the liability, that will be shown on the credit side. So first of all, cash opening balance is given 10,000. So this will be written as to balance brought down. So cash balance has been given how much? 10,000. Now automatically you see realization cash, how much has been realized? 1,62,250. That is a to realization account. This will assets realized. We have got the figure 1,62,250. Now whatever the amount which we are required to pay to the partners, which we have got the amount by preparing partners capital account. So by Ram, how much? 1,02,350, and by Syam capital account 69,900. Get the total and we will get the answer. 1,72,250 and 1,72,250. And always remember one thing: if the question remains silent about the payment of the outstanding liability, then also we are required to pay the amount of outstanding expenses or outsider liability in full. That's all for today. So for Any doubt you can ask me on my comment box.